Okay, so tips on how to talk to your insurance after a hailstorm. So what do you think? If we were going to call in a claim, would you call your agent or would you call the 1-800 number?
Well, it's actually important to actually have a roofing inspector from a roofing company come out and analyze the damage, because you don't want to just be calling in a claim for no reason if there's no damage. That would nick your insurance if they came out and didn't find anything.
It would be a big waste of time. I mean, they're not going to be faulted. I mean, the worst thing insurance is going to say is no. But yeah, I mean, it's better to have someone actually look at it and show you photos before you call in the claim.
Exactly, yeah. So that would be what I would recommend, is have a qualified roofing company come out, do a roofing inspection, and if they determine that there's enough damage, then proceed to the next step and open up that claim. And then when you open up the claim, usually the insurance company, depending on which one you have, they may just ask a few things like when the data loss happened or when the storm happened. They might ask what's damaged, so you might want to just look around your house and see if there's any personal property or anything like siding, anything that you notice that you want to point out to them. Windows, stuff like that. But really from there, once you have that in place, they'll assign an adjuster to your file, and that's when you would want your roofing inspector to be there as well, and then they can kind of take it from there.
Yep, that's basically it. I do encourage to call the 1-800 number instead of an agent, especially if it's in the middle of a storm, because the agent may get 100 calls from all their clients, and then it may take them longer. And the quicker you move during a storm, getting your claim in, the better, because they start to really get backed up. And you may have, if you wait a long time or if your agent takes a long time, then they may be like, oh, we'll be out to take a look at the damage 3 or 4 weeks from now. And now you're a month behind, and now there starts to be material shortages and you're just behind the curve. So the 1-800 number usually gets the process moving a little quicker in my experience. But other than that, yeah, definitely have someone look at it before they come out, or before you call it in.
That's a good thing to keep in mind too. A lot of insurance companies are shortening the time frame that you're allowed to call in a claim from when the storm happened, all the way to 180 days is what I've been hearing. So the quicker you move, the better. If you wait too long, you might lose out on actually getting the claim.
Yeah. Yep.